Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Arctic fox. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Arctic fox, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and let's just go ahead and make a little line that's just going to come down. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve like this. Next, we'll connect it right here. And then I'm going to make a little line that just comes down and then back up underneath the eye. And then right here towards the top, we'll put a little black dot for the pupil. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve back, and I'm going to put a couple points on it. And starting right about here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and I'll put a few points just to make it look like there's a little bit of texture. For the nose, let's draw a line that's going to come out to here, and then we're just going to curve down. Next, we'll go down and then bring it over. I'm going to bring this line into about here, and we'll just curve it up a little bit. Now for the bottom of the mouth, let's go down and then we'll come over. We'll bring it right to about here. Now right here, let's make a line that's just going to curve up for the actual nose. And let's go ahead and just color this in. I'll leave a little bit white at the top just to make it look like there's a reflection. Now we're going to bring this line over a little bit more. And then we're going to make these little points that come up. So I'll just bring these up and I'll curve them around here. Now let's move to the top. Let's bring this line over here for the top of the head. And then we want to start the ear. Now the ears are going to be a little bit shorter than a normal fox. So let's start right about here, and we're going to bring a line that's going to come up for the top of the ear. Then we'll curve it around and bring it right to here, so it's a little bit on the fatter side. We'll make a couple little zigzags in here, and then we'll go up and down. Now we'll make a second ear over here, so we'll just go up and then bring it down here. Next, let's work on the body. We'll start right here at the neck, and we're going to make some big pointy lines that just come down, and they're kind of curved. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Now for the paw, we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and it's going to curve down and come back. And we'll make a second little line right here. I'm going to take this line over, and we're going to come up and out just a little bit. Then we're going to bring it in, and as we come up, I'm going to add some more of those little kind of pointed lines. Let's do a second leg over here. I'll bring a line that comes down. We'll come down here and then over. And we'll put a little curve right here for another toe. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some pointed lines that go down and then up for the stomach. And then we'll make the back leg. Starting right here, let's bring a line that's going to curve down. We'll add a few little points. We'll bring this over, and then we'll come straight down here. Next, we'll curve it down and come back here for the foot. And once again, I'll add a little curved line right here for another toe. We'll bring this line up at an angle. I'll curve it in, and then I'll bring it up with some more points. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down like this. We're going to come down and over, and I'll put a little curve right there. Now let's work on the back. So I'm going to start right up about here, and I'm going to make some little pointed lines. I'm going to bring these down. We'll go up a little bit, and then we'll come back down, and we'll just add some more little curves in here. Now I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to make some little points, and I'm going to bring it out to about here. Now the Arctic fox has a really bushy tail. So to draw the tail, we're going to make some more of these little points, and we're going to make this really big as it comes up towards the leg. Now we have our basic shape. We're just going to come in here and add a few details. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of a pointed line right here on the face. And I'm also going to add a couple little dots on here. Make a little line that comes up here, a little broken line. And I'm going to make a few little extra longer lines on some of these little spots here, just to make a little bit of extra texture. And we'll put a couple little broken lines on here. And we're just going to make some little longer lines on some of these, just to add a little bit of detail onto our little Arctic fox. We definitely want to do this on the tail as well. Maybe even put a couple that are kind of floating here. And I'm just going to add a couple more little lines around here for some detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Arctic fox. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.